All right, the test and quiz feature is going away in Schoology, so everything needs to be converted to assessments. So I'm going to need to have item banks at the end. So I have anatomy and physiology as one of my banks. I'm going to create it. When I do, it's going to pull me right in there, but I'm going to go out and show you at the end. It created it at the bottom here, and I can organize this later, okay? But what I want to do for now is go into tests and quizzes and see this is you can tell by the green icon that this was a test or a quiz. So I'm going to click the wheel over here and it says convert to assessment. This is what I need to do first. I'm going to convert to assessment. It says, where do you want to put it? And I'm going to leave it in the same folder. Okay. And then I'm going to click convert. All right. Now it says you can view the progress in transfer history. So let's look. It is pending. All right. So it might take a little bit of time. And you get here up here in your account. Okay. Not from your profile. Okay, from your settings, and you can access transfer history here. So again, in resources, anything that's in a test or a quiz, I want to convert it. And look, here it is, plagiarism quiz. Okay, now it is available for me to have access to it in assessment.